Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Google Authenticator default security measure for your Google account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to make Google Authenticator default, you just simply have to open Google Chrome or any other browser that you use into here. Then after that, just simply go to myaccount.google.com. Then after that, simply open the Google account where you want to set Google Authenticator as the default security. And after that, just simply scroll here and go to security option. And now after coming into this page and scrolling down a bit, you will get to see all of the sign in options into here. Now you just simply have to go into authenticator section and remove everything else and turn on the authentication. And after doing this, authentication option will be the only option to sign in, and it will be the default option for your Google security. This way you can easily make your Google Authenticator as primary or default option to log in or keep secure your Google account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.